Quality costs. According to quality expert Philip Crosby 1979, quality is free. Activities performed because poor quality may or does exist. What costs money is all the actions that involve not doing things right in the first time. Quality is measured by the cost of quality, which is the expense of non-conformance, the cost of doing things wrong. The most commonly accepted typology divided into quality costs into prevention, appraisal, internal failure, and external failure costs. This typology is often referred to as PAF, prevention, appraisal, and failures, and is one of the most commonly used general cost of quality model. These are the categories of quality cost. First, we have prevention cost. To avoid poor quality, to avoid the poor quality. The cost of all activities specifically designed to prevent poor quality in products and services. Second, we have the appraisal cost. This to determine the products and services conforming. The costs associated with measuring, evaluating, or auditing the products or services to assure the conformance to quality standards and performance requirements. Third, we have the internal failure cost. These products or services do not conform, discovered prior to delivery. This cost resulting from products or services not conforming to requirements or customer or users' needs, which occur prior to delivery or shipment to the customer. Fourth and last, we have the external failure cost. These products or services do not conform, and this discovered after the delivery. This cost resulting from products or services not conforming to requirements or customer user needs, which occur after the delivery or shipment of the product, and during or the furnishing of the service to the customer. Examples of quality cost by category. First, we have the prevention cost. Quality engineering, quality training, recruiting, quality audits, design reviews, quality circles, marketing research, prototype inspection, and vendor certification. Second, appraisal cost. Inspection materials, packaging inspection, product acceptance, process acceptance, field testing, continuing supplier verification. Third, internal failures cost. Scrap, rework, down payment, reinspection, retesting, design changes, and repairs. Last, we have the external failure cost. Lost sale, return allowances, warranties, discounts due to defects, product liability, complaints adjustments, recalls, or ill will. Example for quality cost report. Evans Company had total sales of $3 million for fiscal 2015. The cost of quality-related activities are given below. For return allowances, we have $150,000, design changes $180,000, prototype inspection $39,000, downtime $120,000, quality circle $6,000, packaging inspection $42,000, field testing $18,000, and complaint adjustments now $195,000. Now we will going to prepare a quality cost report. Here are the answer for Evans Company. Quality cost, information, and decision making. We have here the ISO 9000 standards. For the ISO 9000 Quality Management and Quality Assurance Standard Guidelines for Selection and Use. For the ISO 9001 quality system model quality assurance in design, development, production, installation, and servicing. And for the ISO 9002, quality system model for the quality assurance in production and installation. For the ISO 9003, quality system model for quality assurance in final inspection and test. ISO 9004, quality management and quality system elements guidelines. So, controlling quality cost is an acceptable quality level is a standards which includes a certain number of defective products and shipped products if defective units do not exceed from AQL. Traditional approach acceptable quality level or AQL, defective products and shipped products. And it also creates a commitment to deliver defects products. Total quality approach reflects a philosophy of total quality control, calls for products and services to be produced and delivered that meet the targeted value and implies the elimination of failure costs. Total quality cost is also zero defect standards. Total quality control and products and services to be produced and delivered that meet the targeted value and eliminate the failure cost and quantify the standards. As of the cost, quality decreases, higher quality results 2.5% standard and accepted by many QC experts. An interim standard is a wide range goals while pursuing the zero defects level. Quality performance report. First, the interim standard report is a progress with respect to a current period or standard or goal. Second, multiple period trend report, the progress trend since the inceptions of the quality improvement report. Last, the long range report. It is a progress with respect to the long range standard or goal. We have here an example for interim quality performance report. Davis Inc. Corporation had the following quality costs for the year ended December 31, 2014 and 2015. For the prevention costs in 2014-2015, we have the quality audits, 60,000 and 90,000. For vendor certification 2014, we have 120,000 and 180,000. For appraisal costs, we have product acceptance, 90,000 and 135,000. For process acceptance, we have 75 and 109,500. For internal failure costs, we have retesting for 2014, 102,000, 2015, 90,000. And for the rework, we have 116,000 for 2014 and 180,000 for 2015. External failure cost, the recalls, we have 150,000 for 2014 and 120,000 for 2015. Warranty 330 and 300,000. So we have to calculate the budgeted costs for 2015 and prepare a quality performance report. And at the end of 2014, management decided to increase its investment in control costs by 50% for each category's items with the expectations that failure costs would be decreased by 20% for each item of the failure categories. So sales were 12 million for both 2014 and 2015. Here the answer for Davis Inc. Corporation. Interim Standard Performance Report Quality Cost for the year ended December 31, 2015. You can see we have an example for long range performance report. As you can see in this slide, we have here the answer or the solution for the long-term performance report for the year ended June 30, 2015. Defining, measuring, and controlling environmental cost. Environmental costs are the costs that incurred because poor environmental quality exists or may exist. Damages like direct degradation of the environment and indirect degradation are like the unnecessary usage. Next is the categories. First, we have the prevention. Second, detection cost. Third, internal failure cost. And fourth, we have the external failure cost. So, classification of environmental cost by activity. In prevention activities, we have evaluating and selecting suppliers, evaluating and selecting pollution control equipment, designing process, designing products, carrying out environmental studies, auditing environmental management systems, recycling products, obtaining ISO 14001 certification. Next, the detection activities. We have auditing environmental activities, inspecting products and processes, developing environmental performance measures, testing for contamination, verifying supplier environmental performance, and measuring contamination level. Next, the internal failure activities. We have operating pollution control equipment, treating and disposing of toxic waste, maintaining pollution equipment, licensing facilities for producing contaminants, and recycling scraps. For external failures activities, we have cleaning up the polluted lake, cleaning up oil spills, contaminated soils, and settling injury claims environmentally related, restoring land to natural state, and losing sales due to poor environmental reputation. We have here an example for environmental cost report for Vedder Company, reported operating sales of 60 million as of December 31, 2015 with the following environmental cost. So now we will going to prepare an environmental cost report, classifying costs by quality category and expressing each as a percentage of total operating cost. So this is the solution or the answer for Verde Company environmental cost report.